Okay, we're making homemade French fries because everybody has a French fry craving. You need to wash your potatoes. These are white potatoes, so we don't have to skin them like we do Russell potatoes. Even though you really don't have to skin those. We're just starting out with making cuts down them about the thickness of a French fry. There you go, French fries. Okay, now we're going to add some spices. We're just going to add some olive oil. Just drizzle them with olive oil. Then we're going to use some onion powder. We're not measuring, we're just playing around. Some salt. It's black, don't worry, it's regular salt.
Well, pink sea salt is good too.
Yeah. Some peppercorns. Just a little bit of cayenne. Some garlic powder. Some paprika. And that should be it. Now we're going to actually mix them with our hands or with a spatula, whatever you're comfortable with. We just want to spread the spices and oil all over the fries, as well as trying to separate them because they do like to stick together because potatoes are very watery vegetables sometimes.
So you're adding a little bit more spices.
Yeah, it just didn't look right for me when how much I added. I'm just going by the way I think the way it should look. But you just go with what you feel like. Because after all, you're making it for you to eat, not for what I want to eat.
Yeah, but we use a good amount of spices when you make these.
Yeah.
It's the flavor of the fries, is all the spices. You look good?
Yeah. It's on bake at 400 degrees. And we're probably going to put it in there for 30 minutes and then we're going to mix them and put it on for another 30 minutes and hopefully they'll be done. But
it should be soft.
It should be soft and, well, it depends on how crispy you want it. You can wait to preheat, but I don't. It's been 30 minutes now. Woo, got a big blast of hot air. They're sizzling. But we just need to mix them. Let some of that steam out. You don't want to try and break them, just be gentle with them. They're still not done, we just mixed them up and we are going to put them back in for another 30 minutes. Another 15 minutes actually, and then we're going to check on them again. Okay? And they're done. You can leave them in longer, and if you want them more crisp, you can just space them out. But We don't do that.